What's up, everyone? How is it going? Let me to present you this great looking cinematic preset for Lightroom which we made according to your requests this week. You can get one version of this preset absolutely for free. Just watch this video and find the password which appears twice on the right top corner, like you can see it now. If you got any problems about that, please look at the instruction below the video. Also, we made the same color correction for video. So now you can have your photo and video content in one style. Which is awesome, isn't it? You are able to use this loot in any video editor you got. Premiere Pro, After Effects, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut and even VN Editor for mobile phones. You can find the link to the video loot down below in the description. Guys, if you need the preset right now, if you have no time to watch this video and repeat after me or look for a password to download it for free, you can just go to our website presetstore.com and find your favorite color correction there. It's not for free but it's worth that. Every presets contains from 3 to 6 versions for PC and mobile platforms of Lightroom. Check it out, guys. Okay, when I said everything what I wanted to say, we can start working on this preset. Congratulations guys, we made it. Enjoy your new preset. Guys, I just want to remind you, you can download this preset for free, and also you can buy it. In that case you get more versions of this color grading in all formats for mobile and desktop versions of Lightroom. And also you can buy the same LUTs for you video content. Guys, do not forget support our work. Subscribe to our social networks, become our patrons, leave your reviews. It very helps and motivates us to make more and better content. All links you'll find in description down below the video. Thank you that you watched this video till the end. Have a great day, and see you next time.